Greetings, it's Maxo Diddly, and today I am going to be showing you how you can download an animation from Mixamo, import it into Unity, and use it with a 3D model. So I've got this casual male. There'll be a link in the description below to where you can get this casual male, and we want to give this guy a running animation. So firstly, you're going to go to mixamo.com. There's a link in the description below. And you either need to sign up for free or log in. This is made by Adobe, by the way. Next, what you want to do is you want to go back into Unity, and you need to navigate to where you've got your mesh. Then you need to go right click, show in Explorer, and you need to find your FBX file. Go back to Mixamo, then click on Upload Character, and you can drag and drop your FBX file into here. So let's drag my casual male FBX into here to upload the character. But basically, now we've got the model of our character on the website so we can preview animations before we download them. You don't have to do this, but it can be nice to see what it'll look like. Next, we're going to type run and hit the enter key. Now we need to find a run animation we want. We're going to pick this one because it looks funny. And we can kind of preview the animation. You can change some parameters of the animation if you want to, but I'm going to click on download. So, format is FBX, keep with skin, keyframe reduction to be none, and frames per second to put on to 60. Unless you want a cinematic 24. I don't recommend that though. Then click download. So once you've downloaded the FBX, drag and drop it into Unity, and you'll notice we've imported this thing called running with one in the brackets, and it's got a few things inside. So we're going to click on it, and click on rig. And animation type we're going to set to humanoid and keep the other settings the same. You can customize them if you want to, but I'm not going to. Then we hit on apply. After that, we're going to go to animation. And you're going to hit the play button, and you're going to notice he's staying still, he's not doing anything, which is fine. Because when we click on the source, we're going to click on Mixamo. Then we're going to click on play. And as you can see, he's running. So we need to now get this running animation out of this FBX file, and then give it to our character in our game so we can run. So, click off it, and then click on apply. Click on the arrow here, and you'll notice that we have two Mixamos. And we can preview them, but we only want one. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on one of them and hit Control D to duplicate it. And we've got one duplicated now outside of our FBX file. We can then delete the FBX file, we don't need it. Next, we're going to right click, we're going to create, and we're going to go to animator controller. We're going to call it Guy Annie. And this is going to be our animation controller so we can give animations to our player character. Open it up, click right click, create state, create empty, this state, set the motion, and type the name of the animation here and select it. Give the name a state, we'll call it running. Hit save. So after that, we need to click on our animation object again and click on loop time to make sure the animation loops. So after you've ticked the loop time box for your animation, go to your scene and click on casual male G. Firstly, make sure apply root motion is unticked so it doesn't move your character. So he's going to be running on the spot. And for the controller, put in your Guy Annie animation controller that we just created. After that, we're going to save our work and we're going to hit play. And he's running on the spot. He's not moving away from us, which is good. So if we were to apply root motion, this is what would happen. Goodbye. He's running away. You know where he's running to? He's running to that subscribe button. I'm sorry, that was awful. Thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like in the comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.